All right, 1976 MGB Retro Mod, meaning it's done in chrome bumpers, suspension lowered properly, done like a proper early series chrome bumper MGB. You can clearly see they did a wonderful job on this car. Really pretty color combination. Nice gaps on the car, good chrome. They put a 5-speed transmission in it, so it's very smooth. Good at high speeds, higher speeds. And when they installed the interior, he didn't hold back on the wallet. He did leather interior. Did a cloth top versus the typical vinyl top. I'll put the top down and show you the interior. It's very nice. Well, I guess I don't have to. You got good light. Leather seats, chrome plates, no cracks on the dash, clean gauges, good door panels. Weak spots, this has a loose mirror, probably a pretty easy fix. Typical MGB crack here. This is caused by the stress that they pull the door shut here. Creates a stress crack here. Very clean, not scratched up, not scarred. Seals are all in good shape. Motor, I believe, has a cam in it, has a upgraded exhaust manifold, and has stainless steel exhaust all the way through. Chrome is good, grille is good, front valance is good. Gaps are good in the doors. This one does not have the crack. It feels like it's stressing a little bit, but does not have the crack. The wipes are clean and fresh. Both doors are just a touch tight. You hit it and it good gaps again. We'll do a little drive with it. Has a nice tone to it. Oh, the engine compartment. Yeah, the engine compartment is very nice. Let me get that open for you. Has a bit of paint imperfection here. And then it has a similar thing going on one of the quarters. Paint just isn't laid in properly, or there was something on the sheet metal when they did it. It's not rust. Here it is, little imperfection right here. Such a pretty car and such nice upgrades, that should not deter someone from buying the car. All right, we're gonna do an engine start. My legs are outside the car. See? Now here. Starts right up. Got a nice deep tone to it. And that stainless steel exhaust. Nice clean engine compartment. Heat pads coming down a little bit, a little adhesive to fix that. We'll go for a drive. oil pressure, it runs cool. Suspension's tight, tires feel good. This 5-speed transmission's dynamite. We're going 60 at about 2,500 RPMs, 2,200.